Hey guys, Joey here. Secret, which I'm sure you can tell by looking at my channel, I am not a great video editor. I do the best I can, and I'm gonna have to do like straight through. That's just the way that it is, unless somebody wants to take on that job and edit for me. Anyways, I am here today to talk about, really to do an unboxing of a doll, an indie doll by my friend EricTucker, called Deborah D'Angelo. She's a very fun, unique, and interesting doll. And I'm really excited to talk about that and to share it with you and to open my special Deborah that was made exclusively for me by my best friend. So it's exciting and you get to share that with me. I've actually had her for a couple weeks now. I just have not had the time to enjoy, to sit down and have that extra time to film and to have that experience. So you get to have that experience with me now. So without any further ado, I know, disclaimer. So I'm marking this as adults, not a children's video, even though it has to do with a doll. But this is an art doll, and they're for adults. They're not for children. These dolls are meant for 18 and over. Just because as humans and adults, we find some humor in aspects of sexuality, which this doll has. So I just want to make that disclaimer so that if you are under the age of 18, you should not be watching this video. Although most all my other videos you can watch, but don't watch this one, turn it off or go to the next one. So with that disclaimer, I will start with Deborah. So this is the box she came in. We have this really cute, Deborah. Kind of reminds me of I Love Lucy, like a 50s style with Deborah here, art on the box. And Deborah is Deborah D'Angelo, one of a kind, number 6, Sex on the Beach, Malibu Deb. So I love tropical stuff. I love Malibu themes, like Cali Girl Barbie. I don't know, I've always really liked that kind of beach theme, so he knows that about me, so he did this doll as a Malibu Deb for me. And Eric and I have been friends for many years, and early on we collaborated, and because he wanted to make his own fashion doll, and I was like, hey, I'm making my own Mary Magpie, and I would be happy to let you utilize the body. It's cheaper in the long run. So she's kind of like Adam's rib, where she was actually taken from Mary's sculpt and made anew into something different. So let's see. I'm so excited. Okay. So, it's paper. Oh my gosh. Looks like we've got her wig. I'm pulling out her accessories, which we will look over here in a second. I'm just getting down to the raw. My house keys returning to me. So, we have Deb here. She is Malibu tan, kind of orange, which we love, and she has a suntan line of her little skimpy bikini, which she's not wearing at the moment. Let me take her out. Okay, that was easy. Oh my god. And she has a suntan mark of, what do you call those ankle bracelets that you're supposed to keep on at all times if you are like out of jail and they're keeping an eye on you. I'm at a loss for words. But anyways, that is pretty hilarious and very cute. So Deb has very, so she's kind of decrepit. Nobody really knows how old Deb D'Angelo is, but she is, she's timeless, and she has had so many surgeries in her face and her body. She is related to Mary Magpie. She is her cousin. They are enemies, although Mary does not know it. Mary has no clue. She doesn't really even think about Deb's existence, but Deb has thought a lot about Mary. And Deb does not like Mary. So, let's see. Get a close-up of her face. I wish it would kind of get better detail. I don't know how people do this, but anyways, she is inspired by many, many different things. One of the things that she's inspired by is Mycene, because Eric loves Mycene, so you can tell she's got those juicy, big Mycene lips, but taken to like the next level. She has very like kind of gangly long fingers, which are fun and fabulous. Let's see what all we've got here for accessories for her. Well, let's dress her first. It looks like it won't be much, so we have, oh, this is so cute. So we have her little grass skirt with looks like crystal, little crystals inside the flowers, little metal snaps, super cute. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. So there's her cute little grass skirt. And then we have shoes, which I love this design. These are really, really cute shoes. These are her shoes. And I think they just pop on her. Yeah, they're really nice. Okay, yes. So she's got her heels. And then her wig. Okay, Deb, I'm gonna set you down for a second. I can't do it.
We imagine Deb to talk like this and kind of spit when she talks because she smokes a lot and she's had lots of lip injections.
I'm gonna hate myself for doing that in public. So the wig is really cute. It's sewn onto a little cap. I might actually trim her bangs just a little bit, but she has got her, as Eric calls it, pea yellow hair. And it's super, super long. She's totally hair Deborah. Okay. And then, oh, you know what I should have put on before her wig? Is she's got a necklace. Let's see. Like a little beaded necklace. It's really cute. It's multicolored. It kind of reminds me a bit of like PJs, little beaded hair ties. Doop doop. Okay. Put your beads on you. And I don't know how he intended the beads. I don't know if he meant them to be wrapped around in multi-layers or if he meant to just let them like hang. But since she is a little hula babe right now, we're gonna let them hang. She's got a cute little flower in her hair. So she's all ready for the beach, and she needs her purse to go with her because that holds her cigarettes. Let's see. You know, all glamorous stars used to smoke in the day. Okay. And this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there is her bag. And it is a giant pair of lips with a doobie sticking out of them. And that is so cool. I love it. So yes, Deb, welcome to the collection. Very excited about this. Oh, it looks like she even has like, oh, Chrissy, actually probably a few other dolls like Suntan, Tuesday Taylor, and there was a Chrissy doll, Brandy, I think, that had these like sun tattoos where, you know, I think it was a popular thing in the 70s for you to like put like stickers of stars and hearts and things on your body and then get tan and then peel off the sticker so you have like a little like mark in the shape of whatever from the sun. But yeah, so this is Deborah, and you can contact, actually I'll put contact information below in the bio of the video, and you can contact Eric if you want your own custom Deb doll. They are 3D printed resin, and I think mine is 3D printed sintered nylon, but I think the ones that he is making now are 3D printed resin. So they'll be, this has a little bit of texture, as the resin will be a lot smoother. Anyways, here she is, and I hope you guys enjoyed this ridiculous video, and enjoy your day. Bye.